Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TRIBIT StormBox Micro 2 portable Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now if this is irretrievably broken and you just need to get a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of here so that you can set this speaker up like it's a new speaker just coming out of the box with its factory defaults. This will do that. And it's really easy to do. We just need to come in here and find the power button right here. And all we're going to do is press and hold this power button for 8 seconds. We're just going to keep an eye on this indicator light here, and after 8 seconds the indicator light should flash blue, at which point we can let go of the power button, allow it to complete its reset, and then we can just go ahead and set this speaker up like it's coming out of the box new.